have reached at International Airport of New Delhi. I have gotten my boarding pass. Now I am permitted to go in the plane. Finally, I have boarded inside the plane. Finally, we have landed down at Chennai International Airport safely and nicely. Hello everyone, this is Satish Kumar and this is my third day of learning English speaking through vlog. Right now, I'm in Noida Sector 66. You can see in my background view where I'm living right now in Noida Sector 66. Friends, today I'm very happy, very excited because if I tell you the reason of my happiness, my excitement, that is after completing winter vacation, I'm going to my university, that is Pondicherry University by flight. And second thing, I'm nervous and sad also. Reason for my nervousness and sadness, that is again I have to leaving my parents, my family member for 5 months. If everything will be okay, will be nice, then I will come back after completing 5 months. So friends, stay tuned with me till last of this video and support me, subscribe me, and learn with me English speaking because learning is very important. Nowadays, English speaking is very precious for everyone. So subscribe my YouTube channel and I will show you my whole journey from Noida to Pondicherry University. So right now delivery boy is calling me. Actually, I placed order for my laptop bag. So I have to go there for get that bag. So I'm going there. So this is bag I have gotten from delivery boy and let's see it by turning side by side. It is well packed, nice, and this is slip shipping slip of my address. Now let's cut it and now wow, this is my bag, very nice looking, very beautiful. So let's untie it to see inside. So guys, this is bag and in this bag there are three zip. In main zip we can put our laptop and in other one we can put our charger. So we will hang like this. So comment me how it is. Guys, this is my laptop. Let's put inside this bag and this is charger. So I have put laptop inside main zip and I will put this charger in this second zip. Let's put and put it also. So after putting most valuable thing inside this bag, let's close this zip and tell me in comment section how it is. Now I'm going to airport. I have booked a cab and a cab arrived at my door. So I'm going there. This is luggage. So let's go. This is cab and I will go by this cab. Friends, right now time is midnight 1:30 o'clock and now I'm going to Indira Gandhi International Airport along with my some family members and today road is very clear, no smoke, no fog, nothing is there, visibility is very nice. So now driver started to play song. Friends, this is ISKCON temple situated in Noida. Friends, if I say literally one thing, whenever we try to go another city for earning, for studying, then our hearts don't bear witness like by leaving our parents to go another city. This is not easy task for anyone, yet willingly or unwillingly I have to go by leaving them. So guys, now we are passing by Ambedkar Park in Greater Noida. This park was constructed by former Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Miss Mayawati ji. Guys, you know every parents want their children get success in their life, lead healthy, wealthy and prosperous, happy life. So they generally don't feel sad. Actually they feel sad but they don't show it. Guys, now we are taking entry in the area of Indira Gandhi International Airport. You can see further that is terminal 3. Now I'm getting goosebumps because after some time I will be sitting in the planes. So guys, finally we have reached at International Airport of New Delhi and you can see in my background. Now I will enter through that gate 1 and these are my family members, my sister and my brother. and my sister-in-law, and that is my brother. So after entering, they will go home. So let's enter. I have entered into international airport. In my background, you can see. Now I will take my boarding pass from Air India desk. So let's take it. You can see in my background, this is view of international airport of New Delhi, that is Indira Gandhi International Airport. So let's take boarding pass from Air India desk. You can see that is domestic air desk, and this is international Air India desk. From there I will take my boarding pass. So guys, as you can see, this is domestic departure. From there I will enter inside. This is desk from where I will get my boarding pass. Actually I have to wait in the line. Finally I have gotten my boarding pass. You can see this is my boarding pass, and I have to leave my trolley bag there from where I got this boarding pass, and that trolley bag again I will get after landing at my destination airport, that is Chennai. And if I tell my flight time, then it's sharp morning. Now I'm going inside. Guys, here not too much allowed to record video, so I can't record too much. I have to all electronic items remove here, and I will remove every item related to electronic. This is my microphone. This is my laptop charger, and this is my data cable, and this is my power bank adapter, and one more thing that is very precious for me, that is laptop. So I have to leave all things inside this to investigate. They will investigate all these items. Guys, even I have to drop my mobile also to investigate, so I'm dropping my phone here. Guys, here after completing my all formalities, I have to wait for complete 2 hours. Actually, they took off my jacket and my wristwatch also to check that. So after completing my all formalities, I'm going inside, from where I will board on that flight. So you can see this is the view of airport. Guys, snacks and refreshments are present here. If you want any snacks, any drink, and any soft drink or cold drink, so you can take from here. Actually they will give very costly. Guys, in my background you can see this is a waiting area from where people generally wait, and at the time of their flight they take their flights. I'm very tired because I'm wandering here and there, so let's go at my departure gate and do some rest. Guys, right now I'm inside terminal 3, you can see. So let me show you something. Friends, here as you can see, they are displaying about all flights, about all domestic flights. Actually in first row you can see they are showing standard time of departure, and in second row they are showing estimated time of departure. Sometimes if a flight gets late, so they will show in this line estimated time of departure, and third one is airline, and fourth one flight's number, and fifth row you can see destination, गंतव्य के रास्ते. So this is your destination, and other is gate number, via that gate your flight departure, and status on time. So if you are coming first time, if you are doing first time your journey via flight, so need not to worry. They mention they are displaying everything, like at railway station they are announcing, they are mentioning. Here also same. Guys, this is inside view of airport, and these are different postures of Surya Namaskara, and they are displaying here car advertisement. Look, all flights are standing here. Indigo, Vistara, SpiceJet, and there Air India, and these are buses. If that flight, that aeroplane is standing far ahead, so you can go there by these buses. Guys, I'm asking something, and tell me in comment section what This picture is signifying which historical event signifying by this picture. This is lying seat, so let's do some rest here. Let's lie here for some times. I'm very tired. These are my two small baggage and other heavy trolley bag dropped at the window where I got my boarding pass. They will give at a destination where I will land at Chennai. So let's rest here for some time. Then my flight is there. I see now Indigo flight is going to take off. Now I should move to gate from where I will enter inside the plane. So I'm going there. This is lift. I'm going by lift. Guys, first I went to at gate number 31A. That was mentioned on my boarding pass, but after going there I got to know boarding gate now have changed. So I'm going there. Now my boarding gate is 49. So you can see in my background I'm going there. They are showing now boarding status is open. Now I can enter inside plane. So let's go there. Ahead you can see now passengers are going to at Center gate. Now I have come to my boarding gate. You can see in my background. Now passengers are started to go inside. You can see in my background they are going inside the plane. I am also standing in queue to enter. Now I am permitted to go in the plane and I'm going. Passengers are coming behind me. So let me show you inside the plane. Further you can see people are standing in the queue. Finally I have boarded inside the plane. Look, crew members are giving safety and security instructions. What should you do at emergency time, what should not. Look outside. Plane is moving toward its runway for taking off, and now it's moving slowly. Guys, now plane is moving very fast on its runway. Wow, now it has taken off from its runway. Look downside, lights are gleaming very beautifully. Downside view is very nice. See, stunning. Wow, what a view. Lights are shining like pearl. Look, this is morning breakfast served by Air India staff. These two are pakoras and two tikkis, one pav, one Amul yogurt, fruit mixer. This is Tata Cooper water. I'm very thankful for Air India staff. And these one, two, three types of different spoon. This is coffee, Amul creamer and grinded sugar. I have to mix it and stir it well before having. So I'm stirring it now. Now it has stirred. So I'm drinking coffee. Now it has well sunrised. Friends, you can see downside nothing is appearing except clouds. Finally, plane is going to be landed down on the runway of Chennai International Airport. Wow, it has landed down safely by God, and wings are open now to reduce its speed. Now it's running very fast on the runway. This is lighthouse of airport. Now plane is under controlled and its wings have been closed. You can see further all planes are standing here. Finally we have landed down at Chennai International Airport safely and nicely. I'm very thankful to Air India crew members and all Air India staff. So I'm going out. So guys, this is Chennai International Airport. You can see. Guys, until I was sitting inside the plane, I was very scaring. I'm feeling very frightening. So ultimately, I have landed down at International Airport of Chennai. So I will collect my luggage from here. Then I will go forward. This is interior view of Chennai International Airport. You can see in my background. I'm going down by elevator. You can see in my background. Request all guests to collect the check-in. At belt number 17, I will collect my trolley bag. You can see passengers are collecting their trolley bags and heavy luggage. I'm also going to collect my luggage. This is running belt 17 and here I'm waiting for my trolley bag and other also are waiting for their bags. I am going out from International Airport of Chennai. Very nice journey and very nice experience from Vistara Airlines. Guys, here I am feeling very heat up. Temperature is 30 degrees, so I have to put off this cap and this jacket and this sweater also. So let's put off this. So guys, I have put off my all clothes except this t-shirt. Now I'm feeling comfortable. So let's go outside to get taxi. Finally, I have gotten bus and boarded on that to go Pondicherry University. And now I'm going. This bus will take almost 2.5 to 3 hours to arrive there. So finally, I have reached at my university. You can see in my background. Right now, I'm outside of gate number 1, Pondicherry University. You can see in my background entry gate. I will go there and by showing my university identity card, then I will take entry. So let's take entry. I'll come inside by taking entry. I'm feeling here very heat, very sunny day. Actually, in Delhi there is cold, but here there is too much heat. And you can see I'm wearing only t-shirt. From here to my room I have to go by walking. If I will get bus, then we'll go by bus, otherwise I have to walk to my room. So let's walk. This is way to go. I have come to my hostel. You can see this is my hostel. Whether I say my home, my house, my cell, my jannat, my cage, whatever, uh, ultimately this is my hostel. Friends, right now I am nearby my hostel's lift. I have pressed at ground floor. I will go to a room by this lift. So it's coming down. So I have pressed fourth floor and you can see this is camera. Hello sir, I'm going to my room. Actually, I'm very tired. I have no energy. I'm feeling very exhausted because generally during traveling time we lose much energy. So let's open. So आ चुका हूँ मैं अपने रूम में and you can see this is my room. So friends, finally I have come to my room and I have put my luggage here. You can see this is my bed. These are study tables. These are my roommate's bed. Everything is scattered here and there. So look, this is view of room of Pondicherry University hostel. Actually, this is very dingy, very dirty. I have to clean it and everything I have to do, settle it down. Guys, my one roommate already had come and third one yet not came. Maybe he will come later. So right now I'm feeling very tired, very exhausted. I need to do some rest. So first I will take rest, then I will settle it down everything. So here I'm finishing my vlog. I think you really enjoyed this vlog well and you really enjoyed my journey from Delhi to Pondicherry University. So now do subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video and share with your friends. So keep learning, keep improving our English simultaneously. So let's meet in another vlog. Till then, जय हिंद।